What are we doing? What are we doing? All right, so the wife gave us the Lexus. So we got our tow rig over here. That's what we usually tow with. Now we're going to be upgrading over here. We're going to be towing with this Lexus. It's 2003 Gx470. We already put a lift kit on it. Not a lift kit. We did rims and tires already. Lift kit's on its way. But we're going to do a little bit of body trimming. So far, we removed the running boards. And we're gonna cut the front fender a little bit. It's rubbing, and we're just gonna cut it right down the middle right there, see how it turns out. The V8, I got the tow hitch coming for it, should be in today. We'll be putting that on. We'll be hooking up the wiring and hooking it up to the boat, make sure all the wires work. And yeah, we're gonna be towing the Tracker Pro Team 175. Gotta trim those. And we just got the rear hitch, so we're gonna put the 2-inch rear hitch on right now. Get ready to tow the boat. Well, put on the hitch, 2-inch hitch from E-Trailer. We're gonna go ahead and hook up the electrical. Should be plug and play. We also ordered that from E-Trailer, and I'll go ahead and post part numbers down there in the video description. So she's a tow rig, and she's getting ready to tow. This is a 6,000 pound, 600 pound tongue weight hitch. The other one that was $30 cheaper was 5,000 pounds, 500 pound hitch weight. So we got the beefy one. Hopefully it lasts. We'll hook up the boat and see how it pulls next.